So here we're given that we have our transformation T, which maps from R4 to R4, is a linear transformation where we have T of x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to the vector here, x3, x4, then x1 plus x2, and x1 minus x2. So for A, we're going to find the image of our vector v, which is equal to the vector 1, 0, negative 1, 2. Okay, so here we have that x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to negative 1, and x4 is equal to 2. So we have our transformation t of 1, 0, negative 1, 2 is equal to the vector here, negative 1, 2, and then 1 plus 0, and 1 minus 1 gives the vector here. Okay, so there is our answer, right? That is